doing that, you can make your own button and do it in a good manner. And here I am calling that function Google log. I will save this. Let's go to the output. I will first open the console. Here I will click on this button and you can see the pop-up is opening. Now I will select this, the debug arena. And when I select that, authentication is going on. And here you can see I've got some response. Inside this, there is this thing named as user, and inside user, I'm getting the user's detail. This means that we have been successfully logged in with the Google, because inside the user, I'm getting display name, which is the debug arena. This is the email, and the email is verified like when you are logged. Let's do that. I will go to my code. Here I will write one condition, which is if result.user is true. That means we have got the details. Then we will navigate our user to window.location.href and we will navigate it to the profile screen. And before moving to the profile, I want to show this message, toast.success, user logged in successfully.
Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js and the Firebase. Today I'm facing one of the issue which we are going to discuss in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So currently the issue is that missing or insufficient permissions. Okay, so this is the error when I try to implementing the Firebase CRUD app in with the help of the Node.js. So I'm facing the issue permissions denied. So basically the issue is because of that one. So if I go over here, I'm using this file. Okay, so here I'm just using my service account files from here, but you need to get the files from here, generate new private key. So first of all, you have to go with the project settings, then service accounts, then you have to use generate new private key. After generating the new private key, okay, so it will generate that one. I have already generated, so this is the file. Okay, so this is, I need to copy this and needs to add it over here, account service key.json file. Okay, update it, try to run it. Okay, and then try to again reload this, and here you can see that the issue gone. Okay, so this is how we are able to fix that issue. Any doubt?